In this problem, the body magnitude plot and phase plot of a stable transfer function is given, and the block diagram of the system is also given. It is given that the system has negative unit feedback configuration with gain k in the feed forward path. Also, the system is closed loop stable for values of k less than k naught. It is asked to find the maximum value of k naught. Relevant topic has been taught in Control Engineering course week 6 lecture 4 by Dr. Ramkrishna Pasumarthy of IIT Madras. We'll use the following data to solve this problem. We know that all stable system has positive gain margin and phase margin. Gain margin occur at a frequency where the phase angle of GSHS is equal to minus 180 degree, and the formula for gain margin is equal to 20 log 1 by k gj omega, where omega is equal to omega pc. Let us solve this problem. We can see that angle of gj omega is equal to minus 180 degree, corresponding to the magnitude of 20 dB. We know that gain margin is equal to 20 log 1 by k g j omega, omega is equal to omega pc, so which is equal to 20 log k, and this is minus sign because it is in denominator, and minus 20 log g of j omega pc. This, from the plot we have seen that this is equal to 20. So gain margin is equal to minus 20 log k minus 20. We know that for the system to be stable, gain margin must be greater than 0. So we have minus 20 log k minus 20 greater than 0, which means 20 log k is less than minus 20, which is log k less than minus 1, which is k less than 10 power minus 1, which is equal to 0.1. Hence, we know that for system to be stable, k should be less than 0.1, and it was given in the problem that k should be less than k naught, and we have to find the maximum value of k naught. So we get k naught equal to 0.1. In this problem, the body magnitude and phase plot was given, and it was asked to find the value of k naught for which the closed loop system is stable, and we find the maximum value of k naught as 0.1.